as we approach the black Brant X. Nose cone is gone. Alright, so here we go, guys. Welcome back to the channel. It's modelrockets 321. Today we're going to be flying a couple of black Brants. We got the black Brant X and we got the black Brant 3. This is the Canadian research rockets. So we're going to be sending these up on a couple of the Qjet motors. This is the D16 4FJ. And that one in there, I believe I have the C12, the C12-4 in there. So parachute recovery and streamer recovery. So let's get these flights going. Go and subscribe to the channel. Also check the links below. Need any kind of stuff from Estes, discount code IN_321. Go to the website, put that in. Check the links below. I have a website, some stuff over there. If you want to support any of that. And we will be right back with a launch. Go on and check this out. All right, so here we go. We got the black Brant X going on D16 4FJ. And we're going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, a lot of thrust. And I see, there we go, we got ejection. A lot of smoke. That's a high thrust motor. I see what they do with that one. And then he's coming down over the pad. Right back to us, kinda. Get in a little closer on it. There we go. He's high up there, I'll say that much. He's high up there. Yeah, he had it, I think they hit 1,000. That definitely hit 1,000 feet on that D16. And he is drifting. I hope I didn't get separation. I ain't doing a lot of drift. That's a lot of drift. Oh yeah, I see the body. Oh, you have the body on him. Sorry if you guys aren't seeing it. Ooh, yeah, we're getting some sunlight, so. Yeah, I think if I hold right there, yeah, I see him. Yeah, he was definitely 1,000 feet. He is up there. Wow, I'm gonna start my, sorry for any drift. He's kind of near the sun, but not direct. Hey, he's getting in there now. Oh yeah, he was up there. Oh yeah. You see he's coming down. You might be able to see him right there. Touchdown. Yeah, so that was definitely, I have an altimeter in there. I'm willing to bet 1,000 feet. 1,000 feet plus, actually. D16, he kind of swirled into the sky, so let's interesting to see what this altimeter read. But you know how those altimeters are. Sometimes you think you got a high flight, next thing you know it says 780 feet. They're so weird. But all right, so here he is as we approach the black Brant X. Nose cone is gone. Oh my God, that's the altimeter. It's gone. Oh man, oh man. Out of an altimeter. That is some bad, sad luck. And if you saw a video from a while ago, I lost a camera. And now I lost the nose cone. And that is gone, gone, gone. So I won't have a reading. That flight was squirrely, but that ejection fired and it kicked it and it's gone. Oh man, I could search kinda. I kind of roughly where the area was, but finding that out here is going to be rough. Man, another altimeter. Just lost one a little while ago to destruction to that crash of the Omega. Well, as I always say, guys, this is rocketry, and if you're going to do this stuff, something's going to happen. And something just happened. All right, so I'm going to do a search. Stay tuned for the debriefing. Well, not debrief. We got a couple more flights, and then we'll debrief. So we'll do this. Let's do it. All right. modelrockets 321. Yay! Found it, guys. Here it is. Well, all right. So I just launched that black Brant BBX Canadian sounding rocket. Here's the nose cone. I got to make sure I put more stuff on here to keep this on tight. Man, so lucky I found that. Let me read this off. My battery's running low on this camera, but I'm gonna. So what we got? Man. So come on, descent rate was 4 miles per hour. Come on, come on. I just want to see altitude, because that thing was high up there. Duration of 28.8 seconds, the whole everything. Let's see. Come on, battery level 100. Come on, here's the here we go. Come on. That was 936 feet. So I thought it hit 1,000, but just under 1,000. But so lucky I found it. 900 feet it fell from, I guess after ejection, it survived. So Jolly Logic altimeter survived. I'm so glad, because I did not really feel like purchasing another one of these. Model Rocks 321, guys, go on, subscribe. Subscribe to the channel. Model Rockets 321, the place where we lose rockets and lose cones and crash some stuff sometime. Man. All right, I'm so glad to have this back. The rocket's already back at the pad. I already brought it over. Man, stay tuned. We're gonna be flying that Black Brant right there next. So, where did I put it? I already put him, I think I put him in the box. All right, so here it is. Yeah, I will make sure next time I fly altimeter, I'll make sure everything is buckled down good. Normally I do. This has survived many other times, like it stayed on. But I guess today I'm lacking and slacking. Gotta do better. Model Rocks 321. All right, guys, here we go. Model Rocks 321. We got the Black Brant 3 going on a C12-4. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, busted apart. What happened? Blew apart, fins, everything. Oh my goodness, I see. Wait, what's going on? That's a streamer. Something just hit near me. I see wadding, something hit over there. What is going on? Is that a motor? I don't know what just happened. Got two pieces of a streamer coming down. Something hit near me over here. I see silver. I don't even know where to begin looking. I see the body over here. So pieces of streamer. What just took place? I do not know. This is streamer falling. So that's all streamer. We're gonna go over here and get the body and we'll figure what just took place. I have no idea. That had to be a Kato. Was that a motor Kato? I mean, these Qjet motors are being weird. Yeah, it's a Kato. We have a Kato, yep. Let's see. Oh, motor moved forward. Two fins are gone. Motors moved forward. I don't know. Cone's gone. I have no idea what happened. Motor went. Wow. All right, so body's here. I'm looking for either a silver. This is not boring. I'll tell you that much. It's not a boring day. So this is all that's left of that. Wow, that whole. I have no clue. So let's see if I can find. I see something red over here. I'm looking for red fins. So one fin still holding on. You see it? Well, here we go. He got some stuff here. Well, this is that a fin? Part of the body. That's a piece of wadding there. Because I had this orange wadding in the Qjet. Here's body tube. Oh, I see the nose cone over there. So there's body tube. That. And over here is the nose cone. I'm still looking for another fin. I'll leave that there for now. Here's the nose cone. Wow. So everything is torn off there. Where is the shock cord? I saw the shock cord. Something fell near me. You see something? So there's Marcy going to get something. Something fell near the pad. I think I saw like the shock cord. Saw the shock cord coming down. Well, guys, it is not boring. It's not boring today. It is not boring. This is things are happening. So nah, that's something else. I knew something that fell near me. So I'm still missing a red fin. Looked like it disintegrated in the air, went up and just, I don't know. Yeah, so. Yeah, stay tuned. Be right back. Let's see if I can find that other fin. All right, so here's a piece of the streamer. I had it. It was two pieces of streamer, and so what's missing is the shock cord. I have no idea. I see the motors pushed up in there. Like, I don't get it. This is an old kit. It was actually one of the older Black Brant. So it was, yeah, stream. We're good. This is. There was another piece. If I find it, I would take it, but I don't see it. It's two pieces. I don't see it shining anywhere. So we'll, I do want to find the fins at least and see how they wound up. But yeah, stay tuned. All right, guys. So the Black Brant 3 just suffered something. I don't know what happened. I think it was a Kato. I don't know. The rocket just blown apart and just weird. Weird. You saw what took place and didn't find the fins yet. I think they're over that way. So I'll be checking for those in a minute. They're not super important. That's a pretty nice rocket. It was one of the older Black Brants. Anyway, we have the same motor in this rocket that performs well. I hope this motor does not KO. It's a C12-4, one of them Qjet ones, which I'm starting to, side eye. I'm not really, I don't know. We'll see. I've been having some issue with those lately. So let's give this a shot. This is my Challenger 1. This was a kit I actually got. Now I can't do this with one hand, I don't think. Nah, I'm at the maybe. There we go. So this is a Challenger 1 old school Estes kit. Actually would launch these with a lantern battery and it had a whole setup. 70s stuff. 70s, I think 80s a little bit. But anyway, we're gonna get this going on a C12-4. I don't know. Come on, Qjet. Act like you know. Okay, so we are all set. We had a misfire, but we are good to go with the Challenger 1 on one of the Qjet motors. And we are going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Way up. We got ejection, pop, and he is coming down. Streamer, so he's coming down kind of fast. Nice. Yeah, he's riding the waves or riding the wind. Oh yeah. He's coming down. There he is. He's coming down on his streamer. Nice. Challenger 1. All right, coming down right there. He just touched down. Let's go get that guy. So that Qjet motor, that one worked. The other one worked. It was just weird. And while I'm over this way, I'm going to look for those fins because I believe they're over here somewhere. I believe they're over here. So yeah, nice. The Challenger 1 did its thing. Pretty nice flight, straight flight too. Perfect. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go get this guy. All right, so here we go. Here is the Challenger 1 on a Qjet motor. It stayed in place. Streamers did its thing. It landed nice. Rode those streamers down, and we are good. That is the final launch for the day, guys. Please stay tuned for the debriefing, and we will talk this stuff over. ModelRockets321. Subscribe to the channel. Check the links below, and we are out. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.
Step beyond the ordinary with Above the Surface, a captivating collection of science fiction-inspired drawings by model rocketeer Keith of Model Rockets 321. This zine features striking illustrations that push the limits of imagination and creativity, paired with motivational quotes to inspire and fuel your drive. Whether you're chasing dreams or need some positive words, Above the Surface is here to elevate your journey. Get your copy today while supplies last.
Okay, welcome to the debriefing. ModelRockets321 here. So today you witnessed 3 flights. You witnessed 3 flights of some fairly low power rockets, but they're fun too. So the first one we're going to show you is the Black Brant X, the Canadian sounding rocket. This is a scratch build. Made this a few years ago. Flew it several times. It's a lot of fun to fly. Good flyer, high flyer. You can put this thing way up there on the right motor. Today, I thought I lost that nose cone. It was a extreme flight. What did I send it up on? I sent him up on a D16-4FJ. Yeah, he went up there pretty good on that motor right there. So that was a great flight. So put him up there pretty high, and I have altimeter reading. Let's see. I think I read it already to you, but I'm going to read it again. I'm going to let that cycle around. See, altimeter, come on, still 936 feet. Yeah, so that went up there pretty good. So, and 326 miles per hour. So yeah, that was a nice flight on that. But initially, I was like, oh man, I thought this was lost. So I had to go and do a little search. And I knew the general area. Whenever you check the general area, you can find some stuff. So I went on and I did locate it. I'm going to make sure, matter of fact, I'm going to take this off right now. Because I'm just to keep it in eye shot, so when I need it again, I know what's at, and I ain't gotta search. But I will make sure to batten this down, make sure this is on tight, make sure that's on tight too, because that was quite a situation. Thought I had lost it. But yeah, so I went on and found it, the nose cone and altimeter. But he recovered, and then we got him back, so that was a good deal. And next up, we're going to show you the total disaster, which the motor is still jammed up in there, which I really need to get out because I want to see if we had a Kato, because I'm sure I had gotten a Kato on my, I don't know, the motor, the end cap looks fine. Because I got a Kato motor right here from another launch I had did with the Mars lander, and look, the whole end is missing. You see how this motor is? Look at this. Look at all that char, and look at that. It's totally gone. This is in my Mars lander. I flew my Mars lander recently, and total disaster. It was thrusting and ejecting. It was just a strange flight, and it definitely should have had more altitude than that. So this was definitely a Kato. Got to make sure I stay in frame for you guys. Sorry about that. So it was definitely a Kato. If you didn't see that, make sure. The way it's supposed to be, the way it's not supposed to be. So 2D164FJs, I mean, same box, look like they got the same lots, but that was strange. That was a strange instance. So this rocket took off. I mean, it blew apart. Like this, the fins are gone, and it blew this apart in the air like a zipper. Okay, so that's telling me something. I didn't find the shock cord, but I did find the nose cone. I was glad to find the nose cone at least, because I can actually get this. This is something I want. This is a rocket I do want. So I may end up repairing and just getting decals and getting everything I need for it, and rebuilding it and getting this, making this a nice flyer. I do like the Black Brant series of rockets. They're cool out of Canada. So this tail cone, I'll need to know. This is, yeah, that's falling off. Let me see if I can get this. Yeah, because this is jammed up in there. This is just a weird deal. Let's needle nose pliers. See if I can just pull this out. Normally I grip the edge of the motor and can pull. There, like it's trying to come out. There we go. There we go. So this was a C12, yeah, C12-4. I had a little friction fit on it, and yeah, it moved forward. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a motor Kato. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's definitely damage to this motor. Yeah, that's some damage there. I don't know if you can see that crack, but that is not supposed to be there. But yeah, totally destroyed. I wonder if this motor mount is loose. It's not loose. That didn't move. Nah. Only thing that happened was, this is the old version, the flat engine hook version. But I'm gonna look into getting some stuff from rebuilding. So I have the fin pattern, which I can either, yeah, I got the fin shape. All you need is really one nose. Got a nose cone. Just get another body, VT50. Locate those decals. Streamers like this. There was another piece to this, which it was two piece. I don't know. This was just total. But yeah, that is interesting right there. That is interesting. I may actually write to them and show some pictures. Show these two at least. Like, look at this. Yeah, these are two. I'm definitely gonna do. I'm gonna write to. I guess this is Aerotech and Quest. They make the Qjet. So I'm gonna write to them and show them these two, and we'll go from there, because that's just too strange of a situation. So that's what's gonna happen there. But yeah, and then last flight, or the next flight I'm gonna show you, is the Challenger. Super old school vintage. I like the Challenger a lot, man. You can't go wrong with this vintage rocket. Simple streamer recovery. Send it up. I think it's a C63. Real nice flight. Real nice, real high. Very nice performer. So what was the C12-4? I can't remember. I can't remember what motor I put in there now. Anyway, that was the day, guys. Definitely eventful. These launches lately been giving me a little more fun than I want to have. So hope you continue to enjoy the channel, enjoy the videos, drop a comment, thumb up, and ring the bell notification when you subscribe. Subscribe to the channel for more. Ring the bell so when the new ones come out, you will know. Because if not, you won't know when I'm dropping new content, new videos, and things like that. So this is ModelRockets321. We will see you on another video, and stay tuned for more.